Hello everyone, this is a quick video tutorial on how to export a project from Premiere to be able to share or turn in depending on what you want to do with your finished movie file. So just a recap, in our sequence, which you see here highlighted on my screen, this is where you put your entire video together. As you can see, I have my video finished and ready to go. The most important thing to realize is that this is not a complete video. This is just a bunch of clips put together to create the overall video, which of course you can see as it plays here in the program monitor. But we need to figure out a way to get it written as a single movie file so that we can turn it in. I use the term movie file, also could be known as a video file. We're going to be exporting this project to create a video. So to do that, first, you need to click inside of your timeline, which you see right here, and you're going to press two keys on your keyboard. The first one is the END key, E-N-D. It's located in a cluster of keys that are located right above the arrows on your keyboard. So I'm going to press the letter, the END key, and it's going to take me to the very last frame of my video. Then I'm going to press the O key, or just the letter O, to create an out point. Essentially what I'm doing is telling the computer I want to export this highlighted section in my timeline, and it's really important to do that just to make sure that everything is going to be exported. Next, top left hand corner, we're going to click on the Export tab, and it's going to take us to our export screen. And here there are a couple things you're going to want to change. Number one, your file name. Whatever the file name is what you're going to change your project name to. Here I'm just going to use a generic how-to video file name, and I'll know what I'm talking about. The second thing you're going to want to do is save it to a location. I tell my students, let's make it easy. If you click on this blue, whatever it says across from location, go ahead and set it to your desktop. You set it to your desktop, it'll save it, and it'll be easy to find right there on your desktop. The next thing you're going to want to change is your preset. What I do is I click the drop down. I suggest we do YouTube 1080p Full HD probably about 99% of the time. But you may not have it here under recent, and you may not have it here under favorites. So to find it, you're going to scroll down this list and go to the bottom where it says more presets. When you click more presets in this preset manager, all you gotta do is type in the word U for YouTube. And if you put a star next to the word YouTube 1080p Full HD, it'll save it as one of your favorites. And if you press OK, now your preset will be saved to YouTube 1080p Full HD. Your format should also change automatically to say H.264 because these two are connected, they're the same thing. At that point, it's all good, you're ready to go. Bottom right hand corner of your screen, you see the blue export button. Go ahead and click it, and then you'll see that your video starts to render and encode, which means it writes it into a single movie file, or video file as it's also called. Alright, good luck. I hope that is a little bit helpful as a refresh on how to export, and make sure you turn it in wherever you need to. Thanks.